Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: Vrchat, a webcam or VR headset with face tracking, and the tracking app. Connect the camera, then open the tracker so it feeds live data into your PC. Once done, start Vrchat in desktop or VR mode and enable the Avatar SDK tools. This lets you accept incoming tracking streams. Make sure to calibrate now. Proper lighting and a steady 50 to 70 centimeter distance improve marker accuracy and reduce jitter. You now configure the connection and map data to the avatar. Choose the protocol that your tracker and Vrchat support: OpenVR, VTubeFace, or OSC, because compatibility prevents lost frames. Then map blend shapes. Assign eye blink, mouth open, brow raise, and head rotation to the avatar's parameters. Test actions live while adjusting smoothing and sensitivity to reduce twitching but keep natural motion. If latency rises, lower smoothing or increase update rate. This trade-off balances responsiveness. You finish by saving your tracking profile and exporting the avatar with those mappings. Then test everything in a private Vrchat instance to avoid disrupting others. Verify with diagnostic overlays that each blend shape and head rotation responds correctly during speech and facial movement. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step first. Restart the tracker and recalibrate. Many glitches clear. If not fixed, check USB bandwidth. Confirm app versions match, and remap any misbehaving expressions before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.